So I wrote my dad a $100,000 check. And why, you may ask? Well, a lot of people in this online space, they flex and buy the fancy cars, the fancy watches, the fancy stuff, the materialistic things, without ever providing and giving back to their family or their friends, the people that helped them get there. You see, a lot of people have the wrong intentions, the wrong desires. These materialistic things, I know they're going to come in my future. Like, I'm not stressed about money. I know money's going to flow to me easily. I'm going to have so much that it's just going to be an everyday thing. But the opportunity to help your dad pay off his debt, the opportunity to see his face, his reaction, his emotions, that's a once in a lifetime opportunity. You don't get that every day. You can go buy your Ferrari every other day. People they're striving for the materialistic things, but that's not what truly it is. It's for the freedom, and I'm doing this for the freedom. I want, my dad is the core person of the family, and if he is bonded and strapped down by some debt, and I pay it off for him, we're all free. Not just me, my whole family. And again, now that's something different. That's something no fancy car or watch could buy. It's more meaningful. And that's why I'm so disciplined and keep pushing every day, because I'm not striving for some fancy car, because that's not really what I want. It's the freedom. Here's the check. I plan on giving it to him at the end of the year. And I wrote it, I created it, and I keep it under my keyboard, because I'm preparing the way. I've learned that you only receive what you're prepared for, and I'm prepared for it now. I look at it every day to remind myself that this is what I'm going to give him. That this little paper is everything that I work for right now. And I gave myself the goal by the end of the year, because I believe that I'm going to have that money in my bank account, profit, and much more to travel. Because it would burn me to leave and travel knowing that my family's not free at home. And my initial plan was to just leave, but not anymore. This is going to come first. So I know that I'm going to have more in my bank account, more than that number. So I can give it to him, enjoy the time with him, and then I can finally be free myself. I think a lot of people just need to get their priorities straight. Ask them what their true desire is, their true intention. And I think you should figure out whatever that is and prepare the way. You may think it's some stupid little paper. It means nothing, but it means nothing to you, but it means everything to me. And that's why it will actually have an effect on me, not you. You have to find your own personal thing to prepare the way. If you start preparing the way, like I said, I believe in you. I trust you. But it's all a mind game. And like I've said again, you need to start preparing for whatever you're going to achieve. I know a lot of my YouTube videos are a lot of, I'm doing this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to do this. Because I'm just building the building blocks, the foundation. Because I want everyone to know that this shit wasn't a mistake, it wasn't luck. I visioned it and planned it before. So here's just another one I'm adding. By the end of the year, I'll make a video. I'm giving this to him. For now, keep working hard. And as always, I'll see you at the top.